Training Module, programming a secondary infusion using amount over time in the drug library. Before use, please refer to the Novum IQ Large Volume Infusion Pump Operator's Manual to review all cautions and warnings. Secondary infusions are delivered through an established pathway of a primary infusion. The delivery container configured in the drug library for the drug selected determines whether or not secondary infusion is available. To prepare the pump for a secondary infusion, use a primary set with an upper Y injection site and backcheck valve. A secondary infusion can only be programmed when the pump is stopped. Note that flow rates above 300 milliliters per hour may cause fluid to be siphoned from the primary container during a secondary infusion. If a secondary rate of greater than 300 is programmed, add a clamp to the primary above the backcheck valve. Warning: backflow from secondary to primary container. If the backcheck valve on the primary administration set contains air or is not properly primed, backflow of fluid from the secondary container into the primary container may occur. Prepare secondary container and administration set. Swab lure-activated surface with preferred antiseptic prior to first use and before every subsequent connection. Connect the secondary set to the primary set's upper Y injection site. Lower the primary container by fully extending the hanger approximately 32 centimeters or 12.5 inches below the secondary container. Plastic hanger shown. Your region may use a different hanger. To program a secondary infusion with the primary infusion already running, follow these steps. Stop the primary infusion by pressing Run Stop. Then, press the Program Pri-Sec soft key. At the primary drug setup screen, press the Program Secondary soft key. The secondary setup screen appears. Use the keypad to enter the drug name in the same manner that you selected the drug for the primary infusion. Use the arrow soft keys to select the drug in the secondary container. Press OK to confirm the drug. Select drug concentration. Press OK to confirm each parameter. The Confirm screen appears. If the parameters are correct, press the Yes soft key. Note: if the selected drug has a clinical advisory associated with it in the drug library, an advisory screen appears. See the operator's manual for more information. Press Continue to acknowledge the advisory. The cursor moves to the Time field. A watermark 2 appears on the screen to show that the parameters apply to the secondary infusion. Enter the time. Verify that all programmed values are correct. Then press OK to confirm the time. The callback screen appears. If you want a callback at the end of the secondary infusion, press the Yes soft key. The secondary confirmation screen appears. To change the parameters of the secondary infusion, press the Edit Program soft key. You can edit the VTBI before starting the infusion. The following editable VTBI information is for amount over time infusions. There are 2 options for doing this. Option 1. Hit the soft key button Max VTBI. Pressing the Max VTBI soft key will increase the VTBI by 30%. Option 2. Manually enter a different volume in the VTBI field. The Novum IQ LVP will not accept a manually entered value greater than 30% of the original VTBI. The Novum IQ LVP will not accept a VTBI less than the original value. Enter an acceptable VTBI value. Press OK to confirm. The Novum IQ LVP will continue with amount over time delivery and will increase the rate accordingly to infuse the drug over the programmed time. Confirm the time by pressing OK. Press the Review Primary soft key to review the parameters of the primary infusion. Press the Review Secondary soft key to return to the parameters of the secondary infusion. Press the Standby Mode soft key to place the pump into standby mode and enter the desired duration of time. press Dismiss to exit the Standby Complete screen. Ensure the secondary roller clamp is open. Then press Run Stop to start the infusion. The secondary check flow screen appears. Press No if the conditions are not met, and the on-screen prompts will instruct you to ensure that the secondary container is raised and the roller clamp on the secondary set is open. If drops are still observed after the above actions are performed, apply a clamp to the primary line. Note that flow rates above 300 milliliters per hour may cause fluid to be siphoned from the primary container during a secondary infusion. If a secondary rate of greater than 300 is programmed, add a clamp to the primary above the backcheck valve. Press Yes when drops appear only in the secondary drip chamber. Next, the secondary run screen appears, showing the rate, amount given, VTBI remaining, and time remaining. The running bar at the bottom of the screen indicates that the secondary infusion is running. If a callback has been requested, the callback icon appears at the top of the screen. Press the Review Edit VTBI soft key. Press the View Milliliters Given soft key to see how much of the drug has already been delivered. Press the back button twice to return to the secondary run screen. VTBI change during the infusion. To change the VTBI while a secondary infusion is running, follow these steps. Press the Review Edit VTBI soft key. The drug setup screen appears. Press the Edit VTBI soft key. The options for editing VTBI process during an active infusion are the same as they are during programming. For this example, hit the soft key button Max VTBI. Press OK to confirm. Note, if VTBI is edited during an active infusion, the rate will stay the same, but time will be added per programmed parameters. Press Run to begin the infusion with the new VTBI. The Run screen appears with the new VTBI. When the secondary infusion is complete. When the secondary infusion is complete, the secondary complete screen appears, and the callback alarm sounds if callback was selected during programming of the secondary infusion. Note, if callback was not selected, the primary infusion will start automatically when the secondary completes. Press the Silence soft key to silence the alarm. Press Run Stop to stop the pump. The secondary line flush screen appears. Press the Yes soft key to deliver the remaining volume from the secondary container and administration set. If you select to flush the secondary line, the line flush screen appears with the To watermark to indicate the secondary container. Enter the volume to be flushed from the line and container. Press OK to confirm. The line flush time is calculated. The line flush delivers at the same rate as the current programmed infusion rate. Press Run Stop to begin the line flush. Press Yes when drips appear in the secondary drip chamber. The amount given, rate, remaining volume, and time in the line flush are displayed during the flush. The running bar color changes from green to blue during the flush. When the line flush is complete, the Flush Complete screen appears and the pump infuses at the KVO rate. Press Run Stop to stop the pump. The line flush screen appears, giving you the option to flush any remaining medication. Note, the maximum volume limit for a line flush is configured in the drug library. The line flush function may be performed up to 3 times. Press the No soft key to proceed. Press Review Primary soft key. After the secondary line flush is complete, or if the No soft key was pressed, the program screen for the primary infusion appears. Note that the To watermark that indicated the secondary infusion was running has changed to a 1 watermark, indicating that the primary infusion is now active. First, close the secondary roller clamp, or close the secondary roller clamp and remove the secondary container and administration set. Then, remove the primary container from the hanger and raise it back to 50 centimeters or 20 inches above the pump. Press the Edit Program soft key if you want to change the primary infusion. Press Run Stop to start the primary infusion. Press the Yes Soft key if all conditions are confirmed.